If you're looking for a comprehensive way to handle appointment scheduling and management, SuiteDash might seem like a great choice, but does it really do everything you need? In this quick explainer, we'll dive into how to use SuiteDash for appointment scheduling and management, and I'll also share some insights about the software that could make you rethink if it's the best option for your business. Stick around till the end for a special offer on the software plus some alternatives that might actually work better for your needs. First off, SuiteDash offers an integrated system for managing appointments. It allows you to set up a calendar, sync appointments, and even manage client information in one place. However, one thing you'll notice is that the interface can feel a bit crowded with all the features it packs in, making it a little overwhelming at first. Next thing, setting up your appointment system. You can create custom scheduling pages, which is great for businesses with varying appointment types. But there's a catch. If you're not tech savvy, configuring these pages might take some time, and the learning curve can be steep. Once set up, though, the automation features are solid, sending confirmation emails and reminders to both clients and your team. The downside? The design options are a bit limited, which could be a deal breaker for some businesses that want a highly branded client experience. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the client portal. SuiteDash gives you the ability to let clients book appointments directly through the portal, which is efficient. However, the portal itself can feel clunky and not as user-friendly as some of the more specialized appointment tools out there. If ease of use is your priority, SuiteDash might fall short here. The fifth thing that's worth mentioning is integrations. SuiteDash has a variety of built-in tools, but if you're already using other platforms like Google Calendar or external CRMs, you might find the integrations lacking. It works, but it's not as seamless as you might hope, and sometimes syncing can be a bit slow. Finally, pricing. SuiteDash offers some good value considering its all-in-one nature. But when compared to competitors, the pricing structure might not always make sense for smaller businesses or those that just need appointment scheduling without all the other features. Here's the twist. While SuiteDash does offer a lot, there are alternatives that might actually do a better job for businesses focusing solely on appointment scheduling. Tools like Acuity Scheduling and Calendly offer simpler, more intuitive booking experiences without the overload of unnecessary features. These services also integrate smoothly with third-party tools and offer more flexible pricing options. And let's be honest, if all you need is a powerful appointment scheduler, why bother with the added complexity? Now, if you're still interested in SuiteDash, stick around because I've got an exclusive deal just for you. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial available, plus some added benefits you can't get anywhere else. But if you're open to exploring other options, I've got you covered with some amazing alternatives that also have free trials and may work better for your appointment scheduling and management needs. So, whether SuiteDash ends up being the right tool for you, or one of these alternatives becomes your go-to, make sure to check the link in the description for your exclusive offer and extended free trial.